County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. 5:01 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges flying across the warned area between 0.5 and 1.5. Expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Bethlehem, Quakertown, Percy, Sparrow, Bedminster, Hellertown, Tinicum, High Bridge, Dublin, and Glen Gardner. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in New Jersey, and Pennsylvania between mile markers 61 and 72. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. National Weather Service in Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mercer County in central New Jersey, southeastern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5:45 p.m. At 5:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Woodside, 410 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Intact, damaged roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Ben Salem, Ewing, Bristol, Allentown, Pennington, Yardley, Newtown, Hopewell, Allentown, Lemoore, Easterville, Woodside, Rickboro, Edinburgh, and Whitehorse. The following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exit 8 and 8A. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 351 and 359. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 37 and 40. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 and Bucks, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Fools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 7 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Haverty Grace to near Middle River to 12 nautical miles northeast of Tidal Basin, moving southeast at 5 miles. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar indicated. Impact: motors and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Highway, Church Point, North Point State Park, Art Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Dorchester Beach, Wilson Point, Fools Island, Missouri Island, Low Point, Gunpowder River, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, 7-Foot Knoll, Rock Hollow, Aberdeen Proving Ground, Haverty Grace, and Middle River. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal.